Hey everyone, welcome back to JKWorld035, your go-to channel for learning, motivation and business insights. In today's video, we're diving deep into a very important topic, how to form a company and the different types of companies and their purpose. If you're planning to start your own business or just want to understand how companies work, make sure to watch this video till the end because I'll explain everything step by step in a simple way. So let's get started. Before forming a company, let's understand what exactly a company is. A company is a legal entity that is separate from the people who own it. It's created under law to do business, buy, sell, hire employees, pay taxes and make profits. You can think of it like this. If you and your friends start a business together, it's informal, but once you register it legally as a company, it becomes recognized by the government and law. That means the company can own assets, open bank accounts, sign contracts, and even be sued, separate from you personally. Now, let's go step by step on how to form a company in India. These are the main steps you need to follow. Step 1. Choose a business name. Pick a unique and meaningful name for your company. It should reflect your brand or purpose. Make sure it's not already taken. You can check on the Tintin. You can check on the MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs website. Step 2. Apply for DSC and DIN. You'll need a digital signature certificate, DSC, and director identification number, DIN for the company directors. These are digital IDs that let you sign and register your documents online. Step 3. Prepare documents. Next, prepare the essential legal documents. MOA, Memorandum of Association, defines what your company will do. AOA, Articles of Association, defines how your company will operate. Step 4. File with MCA. After preparing the documents, file them online through the Spice Plus form on the MCA portal. You'll need to upload your PAN, Aadhaar, address proof and business address documents. Step 5. Get certificate of incorporation. Once your documents are verified and approved, the government will issue a certificate of incorporation. This means your company is now legally registered. Step 6. Apply for PAN, TAN, and bank account. The final step is to get your PAN and TAN numbers and open a business bank account under your company's name. That's it. Your company is officially ready to start a business. Now let's understand the different types of companies you can form and their purposes, because this is where many people get confused. 1. Sole Proprietorship, 4Z 445, meaning owned and run by a single person. Purpose: simple and low cost for freelancers, small shops or service providers, example, a small grocery store, a freelance designer, or a single cafe owner. Note: no separate legal identity, you and the business are the same. 2. Partnership firm, 445 530, meaning 2 or more people start a business together with shared responsibilities. Purpose: used when you want to combine skills and resources with others. Example: 2 friends starting a restaurant together. Note: partners share profits and also losses. 3. Limited liability partnership, LLP, 530 615, meaning similar to a partnership but your personal assets are safe. Purpose: best for startups and small professional firms. Example: consulting firms, small IT companies. Note: registered under the LLP Act, limited liability protection. 4. Private limited company, 615 7 meaning a company privately owned by individuals. Purpose: perfect for startups and growing businesses. Example, Stack Ave Solutions, PVT Latid, tech startups, e-commerce brands. Note, minimum 2 directors, maximum 200 shareholders. Liability is limited. 5. Public limited company, 745, meaning a company whose shares can be publicly traded. Purpose, suitable for large businesses that want to raise funds from the public. Example, Reliance Industries, Tata Motors. Note, must follow strict compliance and disclosure rules. 6. 1% company, OPC, 745, 8 swars, meaning a single person can register a company with limited liability. Purpose, best for solo entrepreneurs who want corporate benefits. Example, a YouTuber or freelancer running a digital business. So, which company type is right for you? Here's a quick guide. For small business freelancer, sole proprietorship for partners working together, partnership or LLP for scalable startup, private limited company for big corporate expansion, public limited company for solo entrepreneur with legal benefits, one-person company. Your choice depends on your business goals, funding plans, and risk level. So that's how you form a company and the different types of companies explained in detail. Forming a company isn't hard if you plan step by step, and understanding the right type helps you protect your business and grow faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment below what type of company you want to start, subscribe to JKWorld035 for more business and motivation content every week. Thanks for watching. This is Junaid from JKWorld035 signing off. See you in the next video. Stay motivated and keep growing.